Today we're going to focus on the vertical line test and the horizontal line test. Vertical line test. So we're going to test a straight line and see if it is a function or not. So as you can see, the vertical line moving from right to the left hand side, it touches the straight line only once. So that means that the straight line is a function. Then we're going to try a parabola which is facing downwards. As you can see, the vertical line touches the parabola once also, so that means it is a function. Then now what we're going to do is we're going to test an inverse of a parabola. As you can see, the vertical line touches the inverse twice. That means it is not a function. Horizontal line test. So when I test the straight line, as the horizontal line goes downwards, you can see that each values of x touches one value of y, so that means it is a 1-to-1 function. Then now we're going to try a parabola facing upwards, so the horizontal line going downwards and up, touching the parabola twice, meaning that it's going to be a many-to-one function. Hi, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button below.